He was trying to go in. I think that's someone else's Airbnb right there.
Then I ran away because I thought someone was going to come to the door. But not my best moment.
We are leaving this Airbnb and we are on, oh, my strap's all twisted, just a sec. We're on to our next stop, which is Ghent, Ghent, Belgium. And we're going to hop on a train, but timing wise, it doesn't work out that great because we had to check out here at 12. Our train's at 1:55, and then we can't check into our other Airbnb until 3. But we'll get there at like 2:20. So timing's gonna be a little off, so there's gonna be a lot of waiting around. That's okay. We're excited. Don't want to forget our grapes. This is really scary to walk down with our bags. These steps are the stupidest. Warmer here than we thought it was going to be. Also, I didn't do a good job about condensing my pack. Just let everything be spread out so it's way bigger.
Alright, so we just made it to the train station. That walk did not take as long as we thought it was going to take. It took like 5 to 10 minutes, but we're like
here really
an hour and a half early. So our thing hasn't even been displayed on the board yet.
We're eating some grapes.
So it's our first train experience. If it goes anything like our first metro experience, it's not going to be good. But we'll see.
Lovely day. So far, we really like Belgium. Brussels was fun. I think we could have spent more time there. Lady's interrupting me. Pause. She's ruining it. Oh, okay. I think we could have spent more time in Brussels, but it was really fun. Now we're headed to Ghent. I think it's kind of a smaller city. Brussels is pretty big. And I think today we're kind of gonna figure out a game plan for this dang lady. She's killing the box. So we're going to are you serious?
Ne peuvent pas embarquer dans la dernière voiture pour 22.
So today, I think we're going to kind of relax and figure out a game plan for our time in Ghent, as well as plan a few more weeks out. We only had a couple weeks planned so far, and we're planning just little bits at a time. So I think we're going to take today to kind of plan the next little section of our trip. We just got to Ghent and we were super hungry, and there was fries inside that we were tempted to get, but then we stepped outside and there was, what do you call that? A pita truck, food truck, and we got pizza, Turkish pizza it said. And it looks really good. I don't really know what's in it, but we got the spicy samurai sauce again on it, and I'm so hungry, so I'm excited to eat it. It's really yummy. It has veggies in it, lettuce, onions, carrots, and honestly I don't know what this stuff is, but it's really good. I don't know if it's like maybe meat, and then this spicy sauce, and then this is all crispy. Very good.
Alright, so we just finished eating. That thing was real good. Like Madison was saying, it was like almost a ground beef or some kind of beef mixed in with like a sauce or like a paste, and then they rubbed it on the outside of the like flatbread, and then they rolled up like vegetables and stuff with that samurai sauce we've been digging. And yeah, so we just got done eating, and now we've got to go find our Airbnb, which I think involves taking a train. Up on our next Airbnb, and the audio here is probably going to be horrible, all the echo, but we took the tram. It was really easy, probably our smoothest transportation we've done so far. And yeah, so we'll take you up. This is Airbnb Cribs episode number 2.
Okay, so I was looking at Kyle through this window. You can look down like into the entrance one. And he was using the key to try to open this door over here. And he kept pulling on it real hard. And he was using the key and he was like pulling. And finally I had to knock and tell him it's this way. He was at the wrong door. He was trying to go in. I think that's someone else's Airbnb right there.
Then I ran away because I thought someone was going to come to the door. But not my best moment.
Okay, now back to the Airbnb tour. I was just up here cracking up. Yo, it's Madison and welcome to my Airbnb. Okay. So we have a super cute little Airbnb. And it looks like it's in a very good location. Walk out into the town area. And it's very like, what's the word I'm looking for? Grandiose looking. Like there's like marble and a chandelier out there. It's really cute. It did come with 2 beds, so we're either gonna snuggle tonight or not. It's kind of set up like a hotel. It's very clean looking. And there's like a little cabinet over here, coffee machine, and then a bathroom. And I don't know if we can use this washer machine. I want to use it because I have a couple things I need to wash. and we'll be here for a couple days. But I also really like the floor in here. But yeah, very clean, very nice bathroom, much bigger shower than before. I don't think we ever said it on a video, but our last shower was real tiny and it was totally fine. But the shower was kind of like this, where it didn't have like a wall in the tub, so it completely flooded the bathroom when I tried to shower. So I only showered once, so I'm really excited to shower in here. It looks like it's not gonna flood, hopefully, fingers crossed. And I also love how everything's white. This is a hot mess Airbnb tour because our battery just died. I don't even remember what I was saying.
Talk about the whites and the grays.
Oh, I just really like the light colors, so I really like this bathroom. It's very clean looking. It's a good size. It's actually pretty big. So yeah, it's a nice little place. Lots of windows. It's also really nice and cool in here because it's really hot outside. Oh, I spilled samurai sauce on my shirt earlier and I meant to cover it with my sweater. Do this. And yeah, that's our place.
All right, so that's gonna do it for today. We made it to our Airbnb, and then when we're walking through town, it looks really, really cool.
Looks so pretty and cute. It's very historical looking, so we're excited to go explore. We thought we were gonna kind of stay in and plan the next few weeks of our trip tonight, but we might go out and get dinner or something because it's very hopping out there and it's super, super cute.
Yeah, like when we were walking through Brussels, I mean, obviously there's a lot of parts of Brussels that looked really different from, you know, cities in the States, but there are some parts just like, well, this could be a city anywhere, you know. But this is a real small city. I mean, it's like you definitely feel like you're in Europe, you know, you're somewhere else.
At least where we're staying, we're like in kind of a central area, it seems. Yeah. And when we pulled up in our train, or not our train, our bus. Tram. This is kind of a bus though. Okay. We just thought how cute it was. This area that we're in is so
That's not what I thought.
Cute.
I didn't think it was cute. She thought it was cute. I thought it was cool.
Whatever. But we're excited to explore and show it to you.
Yep. So, see, I think that's about it.
Yeah.
So I guess we'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to like the videos and subscribe and leave some comments. All right. Alright, so that thing was really, really good. That sounded stupid. Rolling.
So we're starting that whole thing over?
Whole thing.
Cover my samurai sauce stain. My samurai sauce stain.
Excuse me, I got a text. It was Mom.
Oh no.
Ooh.
That's our trailer.
No, it's not. That's theirs.
Oh, for sure. For sure. Looks like ours.
Ooh. Ooh.
Is that ours?
No, it's theirs. Oh. It was theirs the first time. It's theirs the second time.
I'm very into like light colors, whites and grays. Kyle just kicked the garbage can. I'm very into whites and grays and really light colors.